güey, ¿qué estás haciendo, güey?
Metiéndole, güey. Che, los que se toman.
¿No salió?
No.
But these guys are switching tires right now. Because that truck has thinner tires, and I think he's... When are you gonna... Hey, Daniel, when are you gonna get a drop?
This Saturday.
This next Saturday, damn.
This Saturday coming up, bitch. Déjame acabar mi siempre.
So he's gonna get his tires. Because these are 295, 35, 24, and those are like 275, 30, 24, so yeah. What drop are you gonna get, wey?
6'9".
A 6'9"?
Yeah. Think it's gonna be low?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Hopefully. And we got over here. Look what happened to this truck right here. Bam! La verguearon toda. We're waiting on the insurance claim and stuff like that because the other guy hit him. Like, the truck was literally parked at school because my brother took it to school. And some guy just ran into him. So we're waiting on the insurance to see if they're gonna cover it. Hopefully, if not, we're just gonna have to fix it. It's not that bad. Just basically like a bumper, put the bumper down, and that's pretty much it. But like, we're trying to see what's the insurance gonna do about it. And mine, I already got the lift kit for it too. I'll probably go show you today. But yeah, that's pretty much it. What's up, guys? It's me again. Wait, let it focus. There you go. Hey, what's up, guys? It's me again, and I'm back with another video. And it's been a while. It's been almost like it's probably like a month since I haven't made another video. But like, I'm just gonna give you a little quick update, like I was telling y'all. Right now, I'm gonna go to Tow Wheel Source, and I'm gonna show you the lift kit that I got. I mean, I was gonna tell you, I was not gonna show you until I put it on, but like, it still has to get powder coated and everything, so I might as well go show you real quick. And like I told you, my brother's truck should be getting dropped next weekend. And yeah, we're gonna film that too. And also, I'm like 14 subscribers away from hitting 100, so you already know whenever I hit 100 subscribers, I'm gonna be doing a little giveaway for $100 basically, and it's probably gonna, I'm probably gonna do it through Instagram, the Instagram live. So whenever like I hit 100 subscribers, I'm gonna post it on Instagram, and I'm gonna tell y'all when I'm gonna go live and stuff like that, and tell you how y'all could win $100. But it's gonna be for 100 subscribers, $100. So you're gonna have a pretty high chance to win it, because not everybody's gonna enter it. But yeah, let's go over there and I'll show you what lift kit I got for now. Alright guys, so we finally made it already, so let's go see what they're up to. Oh yeah, and another thing I was gonna tell y'all guys is, like, let me know if y'all want me to talk Spanish or English. I mean, I don't mind, but I'd rather talk in Spanish, because I mean, that's my first language, or whatever how you call it. But like, it don't matter to me, but I'll talk Spanish if y'all want. Just let me know. But yeah, let's go over there to see a ver qué están haciendo. Gotta jump out that one. Kind of washed them, but they're still kind of dirty, so I need to polish them. I haven't had time. Yeah guys, I'm about to show y'all the lift kit we got, but I didn't show you yesterday because we were powder coating it, and right now we're almost finished with it, and I'm gonna show you right now. Hopefully I can hear me because they got the air compressor on. Yeah, that's basically it. And yeah, I went with the red one, the candy red, the leaf springs, not those, the ones in the bottom. And I'm about to show you the shocks. Get ready. Okay, that's how it's gonna look. Then I got it's gonna be a 12-inch Cognito, and I got the hoop with the like 2 little mini shocks right there, so it should be all good. And another thing, what happened this morning was that, look at this. I don't know if the camera could catch it, but look, even the tire got it a little bit. So this cop in the morning, he ran into my tire and he basically crashed it. But look, I'm gonna show you through my phone the picture how it is. That's basically, I don't know if y'all can see it, but that was this morning. And that's the one that I hit, or that he hit. But hopefully they take care of it. Hopefully they take care of it and they pay for my wheel and my tire, basically. Yeah, we're over here. My boy Louis. If y'all wanna get y'all lift kits, come over here. Lift kits or wraps or wheels, anything. Basically. So yeah, I'll catch y'all when I head out of here. But yeah, I just wanted to show you how it looks and what lift kit I got. I was not gonna show y'all, but like I was like, might as well show y'all. I was not trying to keep y'all waiting. And now the next move is I'm gonna show y'all how it looks when we put it on. So yeah, catch y'all in a bit. Well yeah guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I'm already like, it's already like 10:13. I'm barely getting home. But yeah, this is just a little short video. It's probably gonna be like 5 to 6 minutes tops, but I just wanted to tell you like a little update because I haven't uploaded for like almost a month, I guess. But yeah, I'm gonna start after my truck is done and my brother's truck is done. We should be like going to shows and filming all that and stuff like that. But yeah, this is just a little update of what's been going on. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And just don't forget about the giveaway that I'm gonna be doing. We're almost at 100 subscribers, and hopefully we should get to 100 subscribers by this new month coming up. So we should be there, and I should be doing the giveaway, and then I'll explain the rules later when I get to 100 subscribers. I'll explain how to enter and stuff like that. But yeah, that's pretty much it, and catch me in the next one. And we should be getting my brother's truck drop next weekend, so he should be filming that. And then it's gonna be my truck the other week. By that, like the next week from that, it should be my truck. So yeah, just stay tuned for that, guys. And fuck it, like I can't, like right now I've been really busy, that's why I haven't recorded. But yeah, it's gonna start, like I'm gonna start, even though I'm gonna get busy, I'm gonna start recording again. It's just that, like, I don't know, like we haven't been going to any shows like that, but we're gonna start going, like me and my brother and stuff like that. We're gonna start going. So yeah, I'm gonna be filming more and more and posting more like I used to post like at least once or twice at least once every week or once every 2 weeks. So yeah, catch me in the next one, and subscribe to my channel. And if you haven't followed me on Instagram, follow me. It's Vicious Orlando, the same thing. So yeah, peace, and I'll catch you on the next time.